What's up, guys? Welcome back to RWD Status, chilling with your boy Status, and tonight we're having a drift session. So a long-awaited video, but she's done. We got our boy Aricio's car out here with the new wheels. I think they're IS250 wheels, right?
Yup.
And super clean. We got his new fuel setup done. Got that V8 raw life.
Ski.
That's a shout out to Gage. But, here you go, guys. Here's the official reveal of the Sleeper 240. I don't know if you can call it Sleeper anymore, but here's my 240. We're out here to test it all out. We got the new wheels, we got the angle kit, complete suspension, bushings. Everything has been completely redone on the car. Wastegate. We redid the whole entire vacuum system. There are no more boost leaks. So this car is performing, responding 10 times better than it ever has. So we're out here tonight. We got the whole parking lot to ourselves, and we're gonna try to lay down some
nasty skids.
Some nasty skids, yeah. Also, if you guys want to check out more footage on Street Envy, that's our crew. We're actually going to be opening up a Street Envy channel, and I will post the link in the description. And yeah, let's get to this.
Cones and feet, cones and feet, something big.
Niggas always tell me that I made it from the empty slot. Change ways, niggas, no truth, no plot. Fuck a wet brand, no top, no spot. Chase all day to the dots in the back. With my niggas fuck bitches in the back of the cab. Claim riches, but a nigga been whack. Never talk, boy, with your fake ass snack. Cash, talking about cash, nigga. When I throw that shit, catch, nigga. Last time when I talk to him, man, well shit. Run quick, slash for the neck, nigga. No, I gotta make it out the cold for the best show. Please don't try, never show my back. Bitch, don't cry, just move that tag. That's trash, thought I never really said this. I'm on music on my ex bitch playlist. Bitches say 613, that's the greatest. But I never see no niggas ever famous. Back boy, leg boy, trash boy. 10 fake babe, pretty face ass boy. No, I tell these niggas that I never do shit. But my thoughts never sit, so I'm never not slick, nigga. Watch me leave this place you stay. Think about the fuck you made. Change the fucking shit you say. I may be back another day.
Some cold shit. And we running. Like, no more of that game stuff. Like, I'm done with that.